Web-based environments. Web-based environments are quickly becoming a predominant part of educating both ourselves and our students, as well as a key part of the way society works. Most recently, they became everything when the COVID-19 epidemic caused schools to move to remote learning and anyone able to work from home to do so. It is vital to know and understand some of the different web-based tools and environments. We need technology in every classroom and in every student and teacher's hand because it is the pen and paper of our time and it is the lens through which we experience much of our world. David Warlick. There are many benefits to integrating web-based environments into teaching. Interaction, communication, and collaboration. It promotes and increases community interaction, collaboration, and communication skills through resource sharing, quick interactions through multiple types of tools, as well as the many collaborative web-based tools that allow students and teachers to work together on the same product. Knowledge creation. It supports student-centered learning in which students can actively become creators of knowledge, therefore taking responsibility of their own learning while the teacher becomes a facilitator instead of the knowledge giver. Ease of use and flexibility. Many tools have an ease of use and help to create a flexibility that is not always available without these tools. Writing and technology skills. Web-based environments help to develop and promote writing and technology skills, which help them to become more proficient writers. Here are the 6 types of environments that we will address. Learning management systems, which are software or application for the delivery and management and tracking of learning. We will take a look at 2 platforms, Google Classroom and Edmodo. Website creation tools, which is software or application for the use of creating a website. In this case, low cost or free. We will be looking at Google Sites and Weebly. Web 2.0 tools. Tools for the user-generated content and social interaction that goes beyond simply receiving information. We will be looking at Google Keep and Boomwriter. Web-based environments, which is a multi-dimensional space with multiple forms of interactions that allow for asynchronous communications in which the real-time information can be accessed. And for that, we'll be looking at Google Cardboard and Minecraft. Inquiry-based learning tools or environments are tools that drive students to ask more questions and explore multiple learning paths. For that, we'll be looking at Edpuzzle and Amazon Storyboard. Online training environments, which are websites or applications that offer educators professional development. For that, we'll be looking at Microsoft Educator Center and GCF Learning Free. Edmodo is a free learning management system in which the teacher can create classes, add assignments, create specialized resource libraries, quizzes, allow students to interact with you and each other, and connect with other classes. It connects with Google so students can use their single sign-on and access their Google Drive for their assignments. It allows you to create and join groups with other users or teachers to collaborate and learn from each other in your own learning communities. It is very user-friendly and with its many features has great functionality. The initial setup is guided and the site offers tutorials for its many features. Once you have set up your account, the majority of the upkeep is adding what you need as you go. In my experience, the setup and creation of assignments and the like was fairly easy. I had to spend quite a bit of time teaching the students how to navigate and use its features. Once they got it down, my guidance was minimal and tended to be task or project specific. While the site allows you to moderate discussion posts and replies, it does not allow for student-to-student communication other than public boards created by the teacher. While I can see the reasoning behind this, I believe that this is one of the main drawbacks, as it does not necessarily promote discussion and collaboration. It also does not allow for audio capabilities, which can be problematic for students with those needs. I also find the home screen to be very busy, which can be overwhelming to students and potentially cause a lack of focus. Google Classroom is a free learning management system that very easily integrates all G Suite applications. It is easy to use and has a clean interface, works great for students, third grade and up, but is simple enough for younger students to use. This is a great LMS for schools or school districts that are associated with Google for Education. The setup is very easy and guided, and once done, all that is required is the upkeep as you add assignments and resources. One of their newer functions allows you to copy assignments from group to group or class to class, which can be a huge time saver. It requires a Google for Education logon, which is limiting if your school or district is not a part of that community. They are constantly updating and adding new features, particularly from user suggestions. Google Sites is a free website creation tool that allows you to create your own websites easily. It integrates with other G Suite applications, which makes it easier to include other projects into your website, such as Google Forms, to collect data from website users. The design capabilities are somewhat limited, but great for beginner designers. Its ease of use can make up for its limitations. It lacks fun widgets that can really add pizzazz to your website. Google Sites are a great way to engage students in learning by creating content-specific websites, having them create a website to demonstrate their learning, create digital portfolios, assigning and displaying badges that they have earned, and so much more. Creating the website can be time-consuming, especially when trying to make the aesthetics of the website exactly what you want them to be. The banners and backgrounds can look odd if you're not careful with the image size requirements. Weebly is a free website creation tool that allows you to upgrade to paid subscriptions. There are 4 different subscription levels to meet your website needs. This tool offers an array of design tools to make your site your own. It is easy to navigate and offers the ability to add apps to your site. The initial setup of the website requires a significant time commitment. However, once created, does not require much in the way of upkeep unless you are wanting to add more content to the site. Google Keep is a note-taking service with collaborative capabilities. Again, as part of the G Suite, it integrates with other G Suite applications. This tool is great for teaching students executive functioning skills such as note-taking, organization, planning, etc. There's a Google Keep extension that allows you to add websites, images, and videos to specific notes. As students collect notes on a particular topic, that can add labels and or color code their notes, which can be dragged into a Google Doc. With some creativity, there are many things that this application can do. Some features are only available on the mobile app, such as the voice recording ability, the ability to draw on a note or an image in the note is available on the web app, but made significantly easier on the mobile app or a touch screen. BoomWriter is a web tool that engages students in writing, collaborative feedback, and revision of their work. Teachers can assign students to create collaborative works in which students create their own part of a collective work, then give each other feedback and vote on the parts they want to include and where. Teachers can create assignments while connecting standards, including rubrics, vocabulary, content, etc. Students can earn coins to decorate their avatar by completing work appropriately, improving and revising their work, participating in feedback and collaboration opportunities, which motivates and engages the students in improving their writing skills. Google Cardboard Expeditions is a mobile application along with cardboard VR glasses. Using mobile devices, Expeditions offers students thousands of virtual reality or augmented reality experiences. Teachers can create classes and assign these experiences to best match your curriculum and content to engage students in realistic experiences. The older the students, the more likely that they will have their own device to use, therefore lowering the cost. The use of the app is free. The Google Cardboard seems to range from $1.50 to $10 per unit. However, there are places that offer educational pricing. Younger students that would likely need the purchase of devices for use as well will significantly raise the cost of this. There are many companies that offer the purchase of kits at education pricing. Minecraft is a web-based environment that engages students in learning through a game that engages their interests and passions. Students can work collaboratively and creatively with each other as they work through content and create environments that help them to understand content. If you are a teacher that knows little about Minecraft, there's a significant learning curve to implementing this in your classroom. There is training available through Minecraft Education Edition. The website also includes many pre-made lessons by subject area. While you can begin the use of this through a free edition that has limited logins, there is a cost for this at $5 per user per year. Wakelet is the easiest way to capture, organize, and share multimedia resources for students, teachers, and learning communities. Wakelet is a free tool that allows and encourages students to curate their learning. They can collect, connect, and collaborate and share with others to help them investigate and deepen their learning. They can save and present their resources, create portfolios, use it for digital storytelling, and more. Wakelet integrates with multiple other tools from Microsoft, Google, Remind, Flipgrid, and more. Edpuzzle is a great tool that allows the user to take a video and add in stopping points, voiceovers, notes, or explanations. Questions to create self-paced learning with accountability. It's free for teachers, though they do offer a paid version for schools and districts that is not limited. It is easy to use and intuitive. It collects data from students as they go through the videos at their own pace. It connects to Google Classroom, making assigning easy. Students can create their own videos with their own stopping point to demonstrate their own understanding. You can use only the parts of the video that you need. You can add extra visuals and voice recordings to help to clarify content or go more in depth. There are many web-based environments that are helpful for teachers to learn and train as well. Teachers and students, due to their age and experience, learn differently, thus could benefit from different learning environments. Microsoft Education Center offers free online training courses for educators in a number of areas, all technologies and digital age related. Courses largely include Microsoft products. It's easy to use, it's very clean and aesthetically pleasing. Great navigation within the courses themselves. PD Express is a platform that allows districts to add and track professional development that is district specific. Since the PD is put on by the district, it can often be counted as professional development that will count towards salary steps or recertification. The PD, though, by choice, will reflect information needed for your specific district and may then be more meaningful. The interface is a little cluttered, but basic, not inviting, but still easy to navigate. Most classes are subject to the course instructor's setup, so the ease of navigating the course itself changes.